Hi everyone. Fruit trees have started showing up in garden centers as fall is around the corner. But before you buy any fruit tree, hear us out, as this could save you a lot of time, effort, and money even far into the future. The first and most important thing to know is that fruit trees can be very susceptible to many diseases, which leads to poor yield and high maintenance caused by spreading them with pesticides throughout their lifetime to keep these diseases away. Also, it is not necessary that the variety being sold by the big box stores is suitable for your area. For example, Honeycrisp apples grow well in cooler northern climates, whereas Anna apples perform better in southern USA. It will be a lot of work to keep a long variety alive in your backyard, let alone get any produce from it. You can take care of both of these problems even before you buy a fruit tree. Simply select a disease-resistant variety that is suitable for your area. Yeah, like I carry around a list of those in my head. The best place to get a list of such fruit trees is your local agriculture extension office. If you have time, you can do research on internet as well for best varieties of disease-resistant fruit trees for your city. Fall is also a good time to plant berry plants. The same rule applies to berries as well. Pick the varieties that would do best for your area. And here is a berry tip. Pick thornless varieties, especially when it comes to blackberries. If you're planting your fruit trees in fall, the ground is very hard to dig into due to lack of rain. So deeply water the ground the night before you plan to dig. This will make it easier to dig the ground. Our fifth tip is that to plant a fruit tree, you don't need to dig as deep as you may think. We have covered this topic in detail in this video, which we are linking here. So go ahead and check it out. This will save you a lot of work.